So I'll be showing you how to turn on the SIM pin or the SIM pin lock on your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. Go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to security and privacy, tap on that, and then go to more security and privacy, tap on that. And then if you scroll on that page, you should see SIM lock, tap on that. And then as you can see, I have two SIM cards in this phone. So I have this Airtel SIM card and Safaricom. So I'll choose the SIM card I want to enable SIM pin lock for. And what you want to do is tap on that toggle button to enable SIM pin. Of course, it's going to ask for the SIM pin so that you can complete the process. So enter your SIM pin and tap OK. Now I put the incorrect SIM pin, so let me try again. And now you can see my lock SIM toggle button is enabled, which basically means my SIM pin lock has been turned on or enabled. So whenever I restart my phone or I take the SIM card out and put it in another phone, it's going to require a SIM card pin. All right. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.